People often struggle to find reliable sources to answer their property-related queries, and this can lead to misinformation or a lack of resources. This can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to make a decision that involves a significant amount of money. Many individuals rely on online forums or social media groups where anyone can share their opinions, regardless of their expertise. This can lead to conflicting information, making it even harder to find the right answers, like how do you know the credibility of the person who's answering the question? And have they actually got the experience to give the opinion that they're suggesting? Misinformation can also come from friends or family members who may have had a different experience with property ownership or investment. While their intentions may be good, their advice may not be based on current market trends or regulations. Another challenge people face is the lack of resources, such as access to expert advice or up-to-date market data. This can make it difficult to navigate the complex world of property, especially for those who are new to property investment. When it comes to property questions, some of the most frequently asked ones include what makes a good investment property, how to increase property value, and what are the most common mistakes to avoid. The key to finding the right answers is to look for reliable sources such as expert property agents, sales agents, or estate agents or financial advisors. They can provide valuable insights and can help you to make informed decisions about your property investments. Understanding the local market trends is also essential, as it can help you identify potential investment opportunities and make the most of your money. For instance, areas with high demand for rental properties for those with upcoming infrastructure developments can be great investment spots. Expert tips can also include knowing how to negotiate the best price for a property, how to manage rental properties effectively, and how to minimize risks associated with property ownership. By doing your research and seeking expert advice, you can navigate the complex world of real estate with confidence. Common mistakes to avoid include not doing your research, not having a clear enough investment strategy, and not seeking professional advice. By being aware of those common pitfalls, you can avoid costly mistakes and achieve your investment goals. One surprising fact about property ownership is that it can provide a sense of community and belonging. Owning a property can give you a sense of roots and connections to a particular area, which can be really valuable and good for your family as well. The sense of community can also have a positive impact on mental health, as it provides a sense of security and stability, especially for children growing up. Furthermore, property ownership can be a great way to build wealth over time, as property values tend to appreciate over time. So roughly in the UK, property values will double every 8 years. So it's not an absolute rule, but it's a sort of rule of thumb that the trend is always upwards, because there's a rising demand and there are limited resources available. Historically, property has been a stable investment, providing a steady stream of income through rental yields or capital appreciation. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to build long-term wealth. The main points discussed in this video highlight the importance of seeking reliable information for property decisions, understanding common challenges people face when trying to find answers to their property-related queries, and exploring key property questions that are frequently asked. If you've got a burning property question, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it in a future video. Don't forget to check out my other videos on related topics for more valuable insights into the world of property. If you want to discuss something more urgently, don't hesitate to pick up the phone to me. That's Alan at Alpus Group on 07539 141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257, or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.